I found this novelty little cup at the Dollar Tree. It's kind of in the shape of a globe. And I'm going to open it and I'm going to put Wise Owl 1 hour enamel throughout the inside. And then I'm going to fill it with the snow. I picked up the snow at Hobby Lobby. You can get it most places. And I first put a little bit in and shook it around. And then it added more to the bottom. Then I'm going to take a little hot glue and this snowman head from the Dollar Tree and add them to the top. I had this ribbon. I cut each end with a pinking shear, folded in half, and wrapped it around his neck as a scarf. Then I took this yarn from the Dollar Tree and tied it maybe a 1/4 inch from the end of the ribbon, and then took my pinking shears and sliced up the bottom so it looked like the end of a scarf. And I did this on both sides. Then I just tacked the end down with a little bit of hot glue. I took 2 sticker snowflakes down the front of his body and then picked some buttons and put them on top of the snowflakes. And these are going to be the buttons to his jacket. Then I took a snowflake and put it on the top of his hat. I had this large snowflake. I have had it for a while. It's about a 1/2 inch thick, and I just glued him to the top of the snowflake. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much.